Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unlink your Instagram accounts. First you need to open the Instagram app on your phone. Then just go to the profile page. Here find and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And here find the setting and privacy. Then just scroll down. And here you can click on the your accounts here. I have only one account, but you have if you have two and more, click on this button, and I click on the logout this account to unlink this account, and just click on the logout, or click on the this button if you have two account and more, and click logout there, choosing this some account. This is all for today. Goodbye.